Alright, so this is a replace on the spring hinges on the little doohickey there. So, back at it. So what I did was undid this guy, undid this one. They're half-inch, but they have paint over them. Let the door itself cock, and then I went and replaced those, and then tightened them, and then I just put bolts on and then lifted it back up by hand, and then now I'm putting this one together. What I did was lifted it with that guy to cock it up, so it's, you can't tell it's not straight, but this guy's up, so then I can get in here and replace these two bolts and then put it back here, slam it together. Another little cute little trick is to make these tight but not too tight, and these tight but not too tight, so that way when you shut the door the first couple of times, it kind of lines itself up, and then you snug the crap out of those two and those two, and poof, you don't have to try to tighten and loosen and redo all that jazz. It just kind of auto aligns because it moves on that. It's a fine little trick, I guess. You know, it takes a little practice to get the hang of that, but it was an 2014. This is a 2012 Dodge 2500, but I think they're all pretty much the same on this style. So like always, jack of all trades, master of none. See you guys.